welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. I hope you're all doing well. I want to thank you all for coming back and supporting my channel. Well, today I'm going to make something for you that's savory. And this recipe comes from the Maryland store. And I do have permission from them to make it for you. And the Maryland store resides in a former church in Westminster, Maryland, and have over 1,000 local foods and a variety of Maryland items. I'm going to put a few pictures in the video for you so you can get a little idea of where it's located and some of the things they sell. So they have a recipe called the Maryland Store Crab Meat Pie. And the recipe yields 2 pies. Now I happen to be one that doesn't really like seafood. There's only a few things I'll eat. But I'm making these pies for my hubby, the cameraman, and my son. And they'll be all ready for them for dinner tonight. So what do you say we get started? But before we do, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below and smash that little red subscribe and the bell next to it. And that's all there is to it. You'll be a subscriber, and when I put up a new video, you'll get a notification. So anyway, here we go. First thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now, since this yields 2 pies, we're going to need 2 9-inch pie crusts. Now, I've used the refrigerated, I believe it's Pillsbury pie crust in mine. You can do that, or you can make your own, whatever you choose. So I have those all ready to go. You'll notice I have a little boo-boo on my finger. I was going in my, I guess you could call it the junk drawer in my kitchen the other day, and I went to look for my meat thermometer, and I cut the top of my finger on a potato peeler that was very sharp. So the cameraman took good care of me. We used some of that spray liquid skin on there, and he's been cleaning it and bandaging it, and hopefully it's going to heal soon. So that's why I have my finger bandaged up. So anyway, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to need a large bowl. So I have one here. Use any kind of a bowl you wish. And in this bowl, the first thing we're going to put in here is, so I was going to show you what we put in our bowl to make our pie. And when I got to, I think it was the flour, for the first time since I've been doing YouTube, I went to look at it and my card filled up. And the whole rest of my video was gone. So anyway, I'm gonna, like I always do, put the recipe down below for you in the description box. And I'm gonna walk you through this part of it. So what I put in my bowl was, I put in my 4 eggs, I put in my 1 cup of whole mayonnaise. I happen to use Hellmann's, I like that the best. You can use any kind you want. So I put in the eggs, the mayonnaise, I put in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and to that, the eggs, the flour, the mayonnaise, and milk, I mixed all together by hand. You can use a whisk until it's all nicely combined. So once you're done with that, what you want to do is take, because this recipe does yield 2 9-inch pies, you want to take your pie plate and put your pie crust in it. So put them in your pie plate, and then you're going to put your pie plate in your 350 degree oven for 5 minutes. So while your pie plates are in the oven, you're going to put the rest of the ingredients in this bowl. So to this, we are going to add 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. I used Sargento. You can use any kind you want. You're going to use 8 ounces of shredded Swiss cheese. I had a bar of it and I shredded it myself. You're also going to put in 1 tablespoon of minced onion and 1 tablespoon of minced green pepper. And you're going to also put in 2 teaspoons of pimento. If you're not sure about pimento, it comes in a little jar like this. They're red, and these say sliced sweet pimentos on them. This happens to be Cento brand. You can use any you want. So I chopped them up a little bit, and I just put 2 teaspoons in the bowl. And now I'm going to just incorporate this and mix all of this together. So let me hold up the bowl for you so you can see what it looks like. Here we go. Cameraman came back just in time. Can you see that, cameraman? Alrighty. Now you need 1 pound of lump crab meat. The stores around here, with all that's going on with the virus and the riots and I don't know, everything else, they don't have a whole lot. And I'm sure the Maryland store, when they make this pie, they use nice big pieces of lump crab meat. But I couldn't find that, so I bought the lump crab meat in the can. And you need 1 pound of it. I did drain the liquid out of it. Now when you add your crab meat to this, you want to make sure you don't mix it too hard and break up all of your crab meat. You don't want to do that. All right, so while I was mixing that, my timer went off with my 2 pie crusts that baked for 5 minutes. So I'm going to divide up my mixture and I'm going to put it in these 2 pie crusts, and then I am going to put these little babies in the oven, the 350-degree oven, for approximately 50 minutes or until a knife inserted in the center comes out clean. So let me get the mixture in here. Can you see this, cameraman? I'm going to split this up between my 2 pie plates. Okay. And like I said, when they come out of the oven, we are going to do a taste testing. But as I told you, unfortunately, I am not a seafood lover. And I'm making these for the cameraman and my son. So I'm going to have them do a taste testing. And I'll try to put some pictures in there of them eating this pie and what they think. So I'm going to get these babies into the oven for the 50 minutes. Look at that. I'll be back when I take them out to show you what they look like. So don't go away.
Well, I just took the pies out of the oven, and I have to say, they look mighty fine. And I think it's great that you get 2 pies out of that recipe. And the recipe was actually quite easy. Once again, I do apologize for my card filling up, but the recipe will be in the description box for you. So let's have the guys give them a taste and see what they think. Hold on.
I have my knife here. I'm going to cut the first piece out of here. And I'm going to serve it to the guys and see what they think. But they sure look yummy. They're very hot though. I just took them out of the oven. It didn't really say whether you're supposed to let them cool or not. So let's see how this piece comes out. They're very hot. Very hot. Okay. There we go. Look at that. Oh, look at that steam coming out of there. All right, so I'm going to cut the other piece, and I'll take a quick clip and let you know what they think. Don't go away. Okay, here's the cameraman. He's going to do a taste testing for us. Hi, cameraman.
Hi, Diva.
All right, give it a taste and let me know what you think.
Are you sure?
Yep, go ahead.
You're not taking any chances? Okay, here we go.
It's hot.
It tastes like seafood.
I hope so.
And
Do you taste a lot of cheese in it?
yeah,
Yeah?
and it seems to be, tastes like my nickname. Krabby!
Oh, that's true. All right, so do you give it 1 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, or no thumbs up?
I only have 2 thumbs.
You give it 2 thumbs up? All right, so there you have it. The cameraman gives it 2 thumbs up. Well, enjoy, cameraman. And thank you, everybody, for watching.
Thanks, Diva.
Give this pie a try. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Toodles!